I choose to have a great day today. And I choose to love, honor, and accept myself. I am simply deciding that today is an amazing day. Because I love, honor, and accept myself. I choose to have a great day today. It's my choice. I decide. And today, I'm deciding to have a great day. I make this choice every day. It gets easier and easier. I choose to have a great day today. No matter what happens. Whether it's traffic or some other inconvenience, I'm just going to breathe through it. I am capable of handling any situation. And anything that crosses my path that I react to calmly benefits me. It's a very simple decision. I choose to have a great day. Why is it so easy to feel absolutely amazing? As soon as I decide. Because manifestation is instant. And the universe loves to give me what I want. So the more I enforce that today will be absolutely incredible, the more today will be absolutely incredible. I choose to clear any and all doubts, releasing and clearing any fears. Today's going to be a great day. I'm already feeling amazing in body, mind, and spirit. Release the tap, inhale through the nose. Release. Thank you for tapping with me. Please be sure to let me know how you feel in the comments. I love to hear your feedback. And if you're doing this work regularly, this could be such a quick way to integrate a morning routine. It's about 5 minutes, so you can always start the day on a good foot. I'll see you soon.